The national state of disaster is now in full swing and government has heightened its efforts to contain the coronavirus. The President's National Command Council, which consists of ministers, including COGTA Minister Dr. Nkosazana Dlamini-Zuma, has outlined the new regulations issued in terms of the Disaster Management Act. These laws are the government's intensified efforts to stop the spread of the COVID-19. To date, the number of infected people in the country is at 150 and this number is expected to increase. The Department of Public Works will make available sites where people can isolate and quarantine themselves should the need arise.
The regulation says Public Works, together with local municipalities and of course where possible provinces, must identify areas and buildings and institutions or lodges or whatever where people can be quarantined. There are already some places that we are identifying, and preferably every district must have a place.
Police Minister Begicele did not mince his words when reiterating that gatherings of more than 100 people will not be allowed. Cele added that information that those wishing to have larger gatherings can approach their local police stations for permission is false.
There is no negotiations here. You will be detained, arrested, if you break these laws, and go to prison for 6 months or get a fine or both.
The private sector will also jump on board to help the fight against the coronavirus. Many interventions will be put in place to assist businesses that are feeling the pinch as a result of the health crisis.
We're putting in place a number of measures to help companies and individuals that are displaced by the effects of the virus. These will include a special fund for companies in distress. They will include what we call a temporary employer-employee relief scheme.
Minister Dlamini-Zuma further added that relief will be provided to communities without basic water and sanitation. The regulations kick in with immediate effect and all South Africans are expected to adhere to them. Failure to do so will result in citizens facing the full might of the law. Natasha Piri, SABC News, Pretoria.